Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Lincoln Corsair Aviator 2020 and more, used for different models, also for Ford. This is a Ford key fob, but it's absolutely the same process. The battery you will need is a CR2450. You can click on the link below to get it online. Okay, so first we have to take the emergency key out. Right here, we press this button and we pull. Now, as you can see, there is a slot right here, okay? So what I do, I take the key, I push, and I pull up, just like that. And then as you can see, the cover comes up, and I pull, okay? Once again, maybe different angle. Here is the slot inside. I'm sorry, because here's the slot. I push inside, slide it in, and pull. Okay, now you got the cover off. As you can see, the battery CR2450. Now there is a small slot right here. You will need a small screwdriver, okay, and then you just put it in, and the battery comes out. Okay, let me show you again. By the way, to put the battery, first you put the left side of the slot right here, and then you press and it holds. Okay, once again, right here, the battery comes out. To put it back in, left, the plus sign should be up, okay, and you press. Put the cover, put the emergency key, and you're good to go. Let us know what you're seeing. Thank you.